Yo, what's up? This is your boy DJ Asted here again, back for another video. Wala tayo muna sa budget series, but I'm gonna do some top perfumes on the 90s and early 20s yan, para sa mga batang 90s dyan, sa mga Gen X dyan. Ano ba yung mga scents na ginagamit natin ng bata pa tayo, ng mga nanay tatay nyo, tito tita. Yeah, let's go down memory lane and check those fragrances. Honorable mention muna tayo, guys. So sa honorable mention, nandyan yung line of Bench perfumes at Johnson & Johnson's. Kung naalala nyo yung Johnson & Johnson's, yan yung bago tayo maglaro sa labas, ang laging pinapahid at laging inaano sa atin ng mga nanay, tatay natin, tito, tita natin. Yan ang lagi nilang inaano sa atin. Yan Johnson & Johnson's line na yan. Talaga namang hindi mawawala yan sa mga bata nung 90s. And then, ito naman, yung Bench line, saka yung Pen Shop na perfumes. Yan yung mga perfumes no, na kalimitang ginagamit natin nung medyo nagbibinata na tayo. Yan yung yung parang party perfume nung time na yon. Pag nakaganyan ka, sikat ka na agad sa school. Yan. Bench 8, Wild, Atlantis. Ako pa talaga pinakagusto ko dyan yung Atlantis tsaka yung Wild nung time na yon. Talaga namang napakabango niya at malimit siya din ang ginagawang regalo tuwing Christmas party kasama ng tuwalya. Diba? Yan yun yun nung 90s. So, that will be the honorable mention. Next one will be, syempre, ang hindi mawawala sa line, David of Coolwater. Yan. So, para sa mga batang 90s, isa na yata ito sa gamit at most owned perfume nung high school and college days ko. Talagang kahit saan maaamoy mo itong Coolwater. Dahil mura lang siya nung time na yon and hindi siya ganun kamahal. Pero this is a fresh fragrance, guys. This is a fresh out of the shower fragrance. Kung ngayon, nandyan yung mga YSLY, eto nun ang talagang kilalang kilala. David of Coolwater. Yeah. This is a fresh out of the shower perfume. Problema lang dito, longevity. Hindi siya masyadong tumatagal, but it's okay. Nung time na yan, hindi natin inisip yung basta ang amoy natin, mabango tayo. Fresh out of the shower. And the next one, which is wala ako dito, is this one. It's another fresh perfume. Isa rin sa sikat na sikat at laging nandyan kung saan man sa mall, maaamoy mo siya, sa school, sa office, CK1. Yan. Hanggang ngayon, maraming pa rin gumagamit ng CK1. Bakit? Affordable. Biro mo for 10 dinars isang malaking bote, so it's only around 1,800 for 200 ml. So napakamura niya and napakabango naman din talaga. This is more of citrusy aromatic fresh fragrance. Yan. Sa parang ganoon din, katulad ng Coolwater, mostly fresh out of the shower perfume at anytime pwede mo siyang gamitin. Pwede sa school, sa office, sa parties, anything. Very versatile na perfume ng CK. Talagang kahit saan, ma-recognize mo siya. Then, next on our video is ito. Kung hindi ko alam kung kilala niyo to, yan. Jupe. Yan. Naalala ko nung bata ko, kasi yung tatay ko meron nito. This is a cinnamon bomb. Yan. Talagang maaamoy mo this cinnamon woods and woodsy type of smell. Yung mga teenager na nag-JS prom at saka yung mga yung gustong parang maging binata na natumanda agad. Yan. Ito yung isa sa mga gustong-gusto namin ng time na yun. Gustong-gusto ko pala. Ewan ko kayo. Pero this is more of a cinnamon bomb. At medyo matapang siya. But the longevity of this one, this lasts long, guys. Talagang kahit kinabukasan na naaamoy mo pa. Jupe Homme. Yan. Cinnamon bomb. Next, doon naman tayo sa wala ako dito. Drakkar Noir. Yan. Kung naaalala nyo, mga nanay, tatay natin, lolo, lola, yan. Meron yan, Drakkar. Yan, Dracar Noir. Isa rin yan sa napakasikat na perfume nung time na yan, pero hindi ko siya gusto. Talagang para sa akin napakatapang niya. Hindi siya para sa mga teenager, but some guys use it. Especially JS Proms yan. Maraming yung talagang gustong maging feeling bata na gustong maging feeling matanda na agad. Amoy expensive, pero para sa akin Dracar is it's a good smelling perfume, pero hindi siya para sa akin. Next one will be Fahrenheit. I think I was college nung una kong naamoy ito. I was in college around 1999, 98 matanda na ako. College, first year college yan, naamoy ko siya sa kapatid ko, Fahrenheit. Talagang sabi ko, ay kuya, ang bango naman ng perfume mo. And I think that was a gift from my mom to my brother. So Fahrenheit, anong amoy niya? This is like metallic, woodsy na some citrusy and flowers on top. Ano siya napaka-unique ng amoy niya. Hanggang ngayon wala pa ako nakikita na nakaamoy na parang Fahrenheit. Kakaiba talaga siya. Pero kung sigurado naman ako, alam niyo na kung ano ang amoy nito. Hirap explain kasi kahit sabihin ko sa inyo yung breakdown ng notes niya, wala hindi siya katulad nung sa notes. Iba talaga yung pang-amoy mo dito. Alam mo yung parang amoy gasolina siya in a good way. Yun yung malimit description na nakaka-addict amoy. But this is a night fragrance, guys. This is not a day it's a daily fragrance. This is not a fresh fragrance. This is more like a manly, sexy fragrance, guys. So that is it, Fahrenheit. Next one, wala ako dito, is one of the top sexy bestseller nung time ng high school and college na talagang kung ngayon yung Aventus at saka yung Sauvage yung laglag panty ka, eto Polo Sport, yan laglag panty talaga mga babae dyan na nung time na yan. Talagang pag naamoy ka, it will give you a lot of compliments. Yan, Polo Sport, one of the best summer fragrance. No, it's a versatile fragrance. You can wear it anytime, anywhere, any place. But this is a panty dropper, guys. This is a party fragrance na talagang pag nagpunta ka sa bar, mostly yan, maamoy mo talaga siya. And one of the best. That is what? Polo Blue. Next would be what else? Yan. So Hugo Boss. Yan. Eto, nagkaroon ako nito nung ko maliit Bumibili pa ako nito. 30 ml lang yata. Hugo Boss. Bakit ko siya nagustuhan nun? It's more like an aromatic fresh green fragrance. Yan. Meron siya mga floral or something, pero iba yung amoy nito, iba yung dating Tapos ang ganda pa ng bote niya, kaya tutuwa kami ng bata. So, ang ganda naman to. Tsaka, this is also one of the best compliment getter, guys. Hugo. Yeah, 1990s pa lang meron na ito. Ito boteng ito, 2000 design na to. Pero yung maliit yung dito, yan yung 1990s bottle nito, which is one of the best compliment getters also. Same as the Polo Sport. Next, ano pa ba? May nakakalimutan pa ba ako na perfumes? Yan, kung may nakalimutan man ako, just write on your comments, guys, and gagawa ulit tayo ng top 90s perfume at sasama na natin yan. So, the next one would be the king of the fresh fragrances. Kaya masasabi kong the king. Bakit ka mo? Kasi ito, yung isa sa mahal na perfume, but napaka-fresh, elegant, na pag naamoy mo siya, oh shit, talaga naman. Para kang dinala sa, alam mo yung parang spring water perfume with citrusy top notes and some woody smell on a dry down. Talaga namang, this is also one of the number one party droppers and panty droppers ng time na yun in the 90s. Yeah, that was one of the best perfumes I think until now, this is one of the most sold perfumes in the market. Bakit ka mo? Because it performs well. It, it, it performs not great, but it performs well. It smells nice. It's a versatile perfume. Lalo na yung... Ngayon kasi marami ng flankers to eh. Meron ng Profondo, Profumo. Ayan. Pero this is still one of the best. Aqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani. What else? Now, eto naman, Clinic Happy. Yan, one of the best perfumes for guys and girls ng time na yun. Dalawa yun eh, yung mahabang bote, pang babae, yung maikli, pang lalaki. I had that one also. I think dahil nung pinsan ko, naamoy ko siya sa pinsan ko and I really, really like it. This is one of the fresh and clean scent and a great summer fragrance. It's a light, happy fragrance, you know. Pag naamoy mo siya, hindi siya masyadong, basta napaka-light niya, pero memorable at saka niya, bright and sharp orange yung scent niya. Parang yung bote, ganun. Parang orangey yung scent niya. So that one was what do you call this? Clinic Happy. And syempre, mawawala pa ba naman sa ating 90s perfume, ang Benetton, Hot and Cold. Yan, ito yung cold. Kasi for guys, wala akong picture ng hot. Hot and Cold, bakit? Unang-una, 500 pesos lang siya. Mahal na siya nung time na yon. Pero the thing is, napakabango niya. And hanggang ngayon, nasa 500 peso range lang pa rin siya. Hindi siya nagmamahal. Yeah. That is Benetton. Until now, I think I'm gonna buy one of those. One of these days, I'm gonna buy one of those. Benetton Gold. Meron ako natin dito kasi wala na, naubos na eh. Kasi nga, lagi ko rin siyang ginagamit. And what else? Ano pa ba? Then, up next on the list. Yan. So, ang walang kamatayan. Polo Blue. Yan. This is the first perfume that I got from my mom na binili niya talaga para sa akin. This is one memorable perfume for me. Yeah. Polo Blue. What is this? This is a fresh, aromatic, oceanic type of perfume. Yan. Para siyang summer breeze in the ocean. Yan. Yun ang smell nito. Kung baga ngayon, yung Blue de Chanel, dati ito ang parang Blue de Chanel nung time na yun. Yan. Napakasikat din ng perfume nito. Polo Blue. Yan. I think it's made from Ralph Lauren. Yan. So guys, that's it for the video for our top 90s fragrances. Yan, na meron ako at wala ako at mga na-encounter ko nung I was growing up. It really brings back memory lane. Yan, napaka-nostalgic ng mga perfumes na to. Especially these two. Yan. This is very, very nostalgic perfumes, guys. So, that's it for the video, guys. And hope you like it. Kung meron man lang ang fragrances na hindi na isama on the list, just drop by down in the comments. And syempre, hindi naman lahat namoy natin ng time na yun. Pero, hopefully, ma-remember ko yung mga perfume na yun. So, again, stay tuned on the next video, guys. Peace out.